So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you're going to scroll down till you find Windows Update, double click on this. Change your startup type to disabled and then click on stop, which will now make the service status stopped, and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you're going to find your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. You're going to double click on this and then double click on Windows. Now we're going to find software distribution. We're going to scroll down till we find software distribution. Double click on this. Double click on the download folder. Delete everything in this folder. Highlight it, delete. Or you could do Control A and delete. Now you're going to click on do this for current items and then continue. You want to delete everything in this folder. And now for the next step, you want to come back into services. You want to find Windows Update, double click on it. Change your startup type to automatic and then click on OK. Now you're going to double click on it again and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK again. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. And now you're going to find Windows Update, click on run. Wait for this to load. And if it detects anything, it will fix it for you. And then once you complete all these steps, the problem should now be fixed. If it's still not fixed though, then just restart your computer, and then this should now fix your problem.